over the jump. Whoa, got some air there. Definitely got some air, 100%. All right, everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be going on a little bit of a different one. We're going on a POV drive, which we've done a few of, but as you can see, it is nighttime. We're going to be going out as for a nighttime drive just to switch it up a little bit. So if you don't know about this car, the car we're driving is a BMW 118i. It's the F21. I'll put a picture of it up on screen now so you know exactly what we're driving, because it is a bit dark and you probably wouldn't actually be able to see the car that well if I walked around it. Don't know where we're going yet. Hopefully find some nice roads, but yeah, let's get going. Turn the car on. That is loud. Right, single track lane. Love to see it. I'm gonna put, oh my god, I'm putting my window down so you can hear these pops. When it's cold, it's stupid. It's absolutely stupid. If you're wondering what I've done to the exhaust on this, it is literally as simple as I've not bought an exhaust for it or anything like that. It's literally I've chopped out the resonator and the back box. That is all I've done. It's just chopped both of them out, so now it's just being replaced with pipes. I've still got the catalytic converters in. They're still in. The exhaust is the best mod I've done, hands down. There's nothing else that I've done to this car that competes with that. One, the bigger tip, the carbon tip looks cool. It does look cool from behind. You do notice it compared to a standard exhaust. And it also, the sound is the main thing. The sound is, honestly, if you have a petrol car, and obviously it depends, if you are doubting maybe it being too loud or whatever, get it done. Take a resonator, take a back box out first, and if worse comes to worse, they can just weld it back in so it's completely stock again. Honestly, I'd recommend doing it. I took my back box out first, had that, and then I went back to make it even louder, which is at the stage it is now, to get my resonator out as well. And now it's perfect. I feel like any louder and it'll be too much for what the car is. But if you're doubting, maybe second guessing, just get it done, do it, and you literally won't regret it. And if you do, then you can just put it back on. The reason I'm doing another POV is that you guys seem to absolutely love them. Like, just looking at the views on them, it's insane, like the amount of views they get. I think every single POV has over 1,000 views each. We're going to be getting onto the dual carriageway in a second. Then, yeah, we'll be able to properly put our foot down. What are these idiots doing in the road, mate? Absolute donkeys. But I'm surprised I haven't done this yet. If you're a 1 Series driver, or whatever car you have, right, if it has a sport mode, what do you drive it in sport mode most of the time? Because I literally, probably 95% of the time, no exaggeration, drive it in sport mode. It just tightens the whole car up. It makes it more sporty on the steering. The throttle response is increased massively. I just think I literally drive it in sport mode all the time. But yeah, let's go. Let's go for a rip down the dual carriageway. Machine. Oh, the pops. I don't know if you're picking them up, but they sound amazing. That's one thing. I wish my car popped a little bit more. But unfortunately, it only really does it when you least expect it. Like it doesn't do it all the time. Like it doesn't bang 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 every time you lift up the throttle. Like, I think this is the right lane. Yes. Oh, it feels quick sometimes. You don't know why, right? Your car always feels quicker when you're on like a country road like this. It always feels quicker like when you accelerate. But on the dual carriageway, this thing feels slow. Like I feel like I'm not going anywhere, but like just then accelerating out the roundabout, this thing, like, I don't know why it feels like it pulls. Put the windows down. It's only 20 to 9, so I'm not being antisocial here. I'm not being, I mean, my car's antisocial as it is, but it's not like it's 12 o'clock at night and I'm ripping it, and there's no houses around anyway, as you can see, so. Oh. Over the jump. Whoa, got some air there. Definitely got some air. 100%. Oh, it sounds so nice. When it bounces off a building or some walls or whatever, unreal. If you let the throttle off at the right point, it does pop quite a lot. I'll give it that. Yeah, that is going to be it for this video. It's only been a short one, but there's only so much you can do on a POV, really. But yeah, that is going to be it. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe down below. Any video ideas, always appreciate it down below. Yeah, if you enjoyed, like I say, leave a like and subscribe. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll